Watch in this video.
It's working so perfectly.
This is the craziest transformation of my wife's nails at home, and at first I'm going to file the drill bits. You know, where Russians used to say when the wife is sewing or the filing the husband, that means she's dripping on the brain. But in our family everything is different, and I used to file and shape my wife's nails. And in this fantastic video, guys, I'm gonna show you how we do it. Of course, I'm waiting scouting comments, because all people around used to say that I do something wrong. But I just want to answer, guys. This is my house, my family and my life. And I will do all things the way I do. And I do these things more than 10 years. And my wife is happy. So we will do our things. I love my subscribers and my friends. So let's get started. Let's watch this fantastic tutorial and just take the popcorn and have a good time. At first I'm gonna show you guys my new invention of the house vacuum cleaner. How I placed the tube of this vacuum cleaner right in the table. This is the hole, it's perfectly suitable for placing this tube. And we just need to keep our hands upper this tube and all the dust will easily placed and fly into the vacuum cleaner. I have regulator or the tool of maximum or lower powerful working of my vacuum cleaner. It's not so noisy, it's silent and it's very easy to work with it. I think this is the genius invention for houseworks, for doing my wife's nails. Just tell me down in the comments what invention do you have to remove all the dust, because the dust is flying into our length and it can spoil our health. I'm not going to spoil health of my wife just because she's pregnant and just because I love her. That's why I'm using special protective tools like vacuum cleaner. And I'm removing the gel from her hands using this large barrel drill bit, which has large toothing and it never burns her fingers and her nails. I never use sand drill bits and sand caps because they are so dusty and they are making a lot of dust. I think this is the best way to choose something like that. My students ask me how I remove the gel product from the nail. It depends on the condition of the gel product, just because when it's lifting, like in this case, I'm filing from the left to the right side, and if the layer is thin, in this case I'm working from the up to the down side with slight motions from left to the right side, so it's very easy to remove. But in the case we have the lifting, in this case we should work from the left to the right side through the line, through the horizontal line. And of course don't forget to keep the nail if it's lifted, because it suddenly can be moved with the drill bit, from example, into someone's eye. So be careful with it. You know, guys, for example, doing something at home when you are professional, it's very easy, because I used to cut hairs of my son and do my wife's nails. I do all service of beauty for my house. People who live in my house. I will be the dad of 4 children. How you imagine? Can you imagine, guys? 4 children, 3 daughters and 1 son. It's unbelievable. I'm going crazy because I just can't imagine me to be the dad of so many children. Oh my god, 10 years ago I couldn't imagine that. I thought that I would never have children, and I thought that I would travel all my life around the world, but now, oh my god, of course it's a real happiness for the man to have a big family, but I just can't imagine my life. I will have to work hard, guys, and do a lot of new videos for you, because I need your support and I want you to watch them. I will make definitely perfect tutorials and perfect nail designs. I will teach you all my techniques and my skills. And now, guys, you see me working with a nail file. Do you wonder why I'm shaping nails before placing the gel product? It's very important, just because if you don't do that, you will have bulky nails and you will never shape them neatly, because after placing the gel product, your nails should be prepared to the maximum before placing the gel product, and this is the main aim of the nail master nowadays, because Russian nail tech, they trying to spend all their time to prepare the nail perfectly. So the main trick of their work is just remove the cuticles properly to the ideal, and just remove all the gel product, flatten the nail plate perfectly. Just because if the side was shaped not correctly, if they have bulky areas, in this case you place the next layer of the gel product, and oh my god, this will be the bulky mountings, and you will have to shape, try hard, spend a lot of time, and you will be very tired. You will never have some energy to apply the nail design after that. So you should pay maximum attention on the things you see now. When I'm removing the gel product with the nail file, flatten the area, make it flat and straight to the maximum. And that's why, guys, I spent a lot of time in this video showing you how to shape nails, because I think the easiest and the best way for the beginner is to shape nails on the first phases and use the special gel product which is aligning very fast by reversing the hand, and only in this case you will be able to sculpt, to make good shapes of the nails, especially when we speak about such shapes like almond shape of the nail, rounded shape of the nail. In this case, it's better to reverse hands to make the gel be aligned. In this video, I'm going to show you on the last frames how I am aligning the top coat by reversing the hand. So guys, this video is perfect for learning this technique, and not just learning this technique, just showing you my way of applying the gel product. I think that everything in our life we should do with the smile, with the special energy. I'm giving you this energy. I'm showing you how we can do these things, how to bring this energy and share it with the people. You shouldn't do things lazy. You shouldn't do things with a boring way. I think that every deal can be done with the funniest, with something special. And the next thing I wanted to show you the picture of the fold of one nail master, not me, one nail master. I have found this picture in the internet, and there was a bleeding, a lot of cuts on the nails, and a lot of nail masters, Russian nail masters from Ukraine, from Belarus, they hated this nail master. Oh my god, you're a punisher, you are removing, you're making so blood. Just stop, guys, just stop. You shouldn't bring down anyone, because one day in your life there will be the situation when you have the client with a soft skin, and you suddenly suddenly by the mistake, by the small mistake, you cut your skin, and this client will come home and will publish this photo of the cut of your mistake into this social network, and everybody will see it and everybody hates you. You should remember that everything is going around. I don't remember this how we can say, what comes around, something like that, the Justin Timberlake song. I mean, guys, you shouldn't bring someone's down, and all things I do in my YouTube nail channel, just showing you that you should love each other, you should love people around, you should love nail technicians, no matter how he or she does her nails. The time goes and she or he will be better than you, definitely. No matter what skills you have, maybe you are the king or the queen of the nails and you are trying to bring down someone, it doesn't matter. After 10 years you will stop this work and he or she will be the queen of the manicure, of the nail art, of the nail design, and I'm sure that I'm nothing. Now maybe I'm a good nail master, but I am sure that my students will be better than me. That's why I never bring down someone's work. As you can see, we have a quiz with my life, and she took the gel randomizedly, and this is the amazing color. You can see that we can use this color with combination of the baby boomer nail design, and this design is fantastic. You just don't understand, guys, how this nail design is useful for you, just because you don't need to place product neatly near the cuticles. You don't need to apply a lot of work. You just apply the baby boomer perfect gradient with the shape, with the shining. The shining area is in the cuticles area, and it's fading to the corner, to the tip of the nail, to the white color. It will be amazing, and this is the fantastic life hack. You should try to do this nail design, and your client will be amazed. It will look beautiful on long nails. You should try it, and if you try it with different sequin colors, you know, guys, in the shops there are a lot of sequin colors. I mean, gel paint with sequin, with mermaid effect, with the unicorn effect, pinkish, blue effect. There are a lot of ideas. Just create these beautiful things, combine them together. It's curing very fast. I have applied 2 colors and have cured these colors in lead lamp. After that I need to shape nails again, and I have prepared nails before that. That's why I will never spend a lot of time for shaping nails. I want to come back to the manicure. As you can see, I have never removed her cuticles very deep, just because I would never I never want to cut her skin. You should be smart nail technician. For example, when the client has hard skin, you can use drill bits, you can cut with erratic motions her skin, but in the other case, when the skin of the client is thin and soft, be careful, guys. It's better not to touch it, not to cut it very deep. Just because in the next phases you will be working with the files, with the buffers, and it's the same, something like the adhesive manicure. You will see on the final phases that the remaining cuticles is disappeared. This is not miracle, this is the smart nail master who don't remove all cuticles. I know that in some countries it's not legal to apply the Russian deep hardware manicure. That's why in our house we prefer to apply the express manicure. I'm free from trends, I'm guys from those things that are natural. And in the last frames of this video you will see the result of my work. And if somebody scolded me with this result, please let me know down in the comments. I could definitely speak with you about it, just because I'm absolutely sure that this way of applying house manicure, when you are professional, of course, I think it's ideal. And of course, we use this tube of vacuum cleaner only for the manicure. I never use it for cleaning my house. So this is the special manicure vacuum cleaner, and now I'm proceeding with the nail design. You know, guys, we adore such abstract elements of the nail design. I know that not every nail master can draw the same things so elegant, but I think that you will definitely do it if you train your hand, for example, on tips. The main thing, sometimes you should move your brush only using the tip, but sometimes you should press on it on the belly. In this case, you have the wider line, the combination of wide areas and thin areas. In this case, we create such waving and such leading lines. It looks beautiful and so artistic. And never slider design, never stamping or the sticker, never change your hand motions. Just because the client all the time is looking on her nails, he likes it. And I have applied thousands of clients, and I'm absolutely sure that freehand nail designs they will be always appreciated. I'm going to destroy all machines for the nail design. It's absolutely trash. I never try it. I have never applied the stamping nail design. This is the truth. I have never tried. Just because I do only artistic nail designs, just for you guys. Just take a look on the result. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. They look so natural and elegant for such lovely and sweet fingers of my wife. In spite of the fact that YouTube doesn't pay Russians nail masters and bloggers, I would always will do it for free, just for you guys, because I love my work. But if someone wants to support me with the donate, you can find the link under the video and send me a couple of dollars. I will appreciate it. And buy some products for you to review. And of course I will do more expensive and informative videos for you. And you will not only have a good time watching my videos, you will be in trend from the new products and new techniques. Have a good day, guys. I love you. Don't forget to click that like button, subscribe, and watch my videos twice a week. I'm hugging you. I love you, and kisses from Russia.